Hello, I am Aura. Welcome to Aesthetics TV, brought to you by aestheticsnet.com, the global network for aesthetics, regenerative, and longevity medicine. Aesthetics TV is your window into the latest advancements in wellness and the beauty-related industries. Today, we are focusing on a very important factor that is overlooked by many people around the world. Let us consider this obvious concept: what happens if you make a great investment on something, but do not do any maintenance. The investment will not last long. The same applies to you. Your aesthetic treatments, the injectables, the skin boosters, those are your investment. But the correct skin care and supplements, that is the maintenance. Without it, your results simply won't last. Now let us see how one of the world's leading aesthetic clinics, MPM Aesthetic Medicals in the UK, explain this to you. Doctors at MPM advise about suitable maintenance, skincare, and supplements.
You wouldn't buy a GBP 50,000s car and never change the oil. So why spend GBP 1,000 on laser resurfacing and go home with nothing? I've watched thousands of pounds of results literally wash away because of 3 mistakes: wrong moisturizer, no growth factors, and believing a supermarket hair, skin, and nails gummy replaces real medicine. Here is the Aesthetic Medicals protocol. 3 phases. No guessing. Phase 1, 24 weeks before, Verisol collagen and astaxanthin. We prime your skin like a canvas. Phase 2. Days 1 to 7 after laser or lesion removal. Stop retinoids. You only use 3 things: growth factor serum to heal, a physiological lipid cream to rebuild the barrier, and tinted zinc SPF. Phase 3. Long-term tretinoin 3 nights a week, plus internal phytoceramides and MSM. This is how you keep the glass skin for years, not weeks. Listen carefully. The laser or lesion removal is the down payment. The aftercare, medical-grade skincare, and oral supplements are the mortgage. Without them, hyperpigmentation, slow healing, wasted money. We only use pharmaceutical GMP-certified brands. Thorn Pure encapsulations. Because impure supplements cause oxidative stress, the opposite of healing. Protect your investment. Book your free consultation at Aesthetic Medicals. We will prescribe your exact 3-phase protocol thunder for your skin, your procedure, and your budget.
You watch the medical advice, which leads to the next problem. Where do you find them? mpmglobaluk.com is a trusted webshop selling these exact products for reasonable prices. It's the bridge between your treatment and your long-term results. For the full breakdown and additional notes including specific supplement recommendations, please watch the video and visit the aesthetics news page at aestheticsnet.com. The link is right there in the description. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We bring aesthetic news and knowledge from around the world to help you look better and feel better. Maintain your investment. See you next time.